do not make this powerful hair growth spray if you are not ready for extreme hair growth. So guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to combine 4 powerful herbs to combat hair fall, hair dryness and stunted growth. Now if you're ready as I am ready, let's get right into the video. So to make this hair growth spray, our first ingredient is fennel seed. Now, fennel seed helps to strengthen hair follicles and reduce hair fall. It is rich in antioxidant and antimicrobial properties that helps to promote scalp health, and plus it helps to combat dandruff and scalp irritation. So I added 1 tablespoon, and now our next ingredient is fenugreek seed oil. Like, if you have not been incorporating fenugreek seed into your hair regimen, you should try that. Fenugreek seed is packed with protein and nicotinic acid, and it also helps to boost hair growth and thickness. If you're experiencing thinning hair, consistent use of fenugreek seed is going to help you to tackle that. It also contains a property called lecithin, which deeply conditions and moisturizes your hair. It also helps to prevent dandruff and scalp infection as well. So I am also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of my fenugreek seed. So the next thing that I'm going to add now is rosemary leaves. Now rosemary is known for its stimulating hair growth, right? And it helps to prevent premature hair loss. It also helps to improve scalp circulation, which helps to nourish the hair follicles over time, and plus it also helps to reduce scalp inflammation. Okay, so I added 1 tablespoon, and our last ingredient is bay leaves. Last but not the least. Okay, all right, so bay leaves helps to improve blood circulation to the scalp, stimulating hair growth. It has antifungal properties that help to reduce scalp irritation and scalp itching, and plus it helps to straighten the hair and add shine with consistent use. All right, so I added just a few leaves, and then I'm going to be measuring 2 cups of my hot water. I measured 2 cups, and each cup is 250 ml. So for the 2 cups it gives 500 ml. All right, so I'm just going to mix everything to combine, and then I'm going to cover it and let it sit. So I left it to sit for 24 hours, and the next day this is what it was looking like. You would know that it is ready when the fenugreek has doubled in size and the water has obviously changed in color. Okay, so guys, you can actually soak this for 8 hours. After 8 hours the fenugreek must have doubled in size, but I feel like the longer you leave it the better. But please don't infuse it for more than 24 hours. Okay, all right guys, so I'm just going to strain it, and after straining it, this is the pure liquid that we have. Now we are going to pour it into an applicator bottle for easy application. Hey my beautiful people, what's up? I hope you're enjoying this video. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps me to know that okay, you're enjoying it, and plus it also helps YouTube to know that okay, there's something good happening here, and they should share it to more people. All right, and this is what our liquid gold is looking like. And to demonstrate it, I'm going to be using my daughter's hair. This is actually the hair tea that I've been using on their hair throughout last week and this week, and it has been keeping her hair so moisturized. I use it on their hair 3 times in a week. You could see from last application her hair is still looking okay. It's not looking like really dry, but yet I'm still going to moisturize it. Look at her scalp looking clean, and this hair is already 1 week plus. I made the hair and then I started using the tea on their hair, and that is what I do most times. When I make their hair, I introduce new tea or I continue with the old one, just depends. But I am just here sharing with you this powerful hair tea that you can try. And guess what, I'm using it on my 3-year-old daughter, which means you can use it on your kids that is 2 years and above. 2 years and above. Okay, take notice. All right guys, so what I'm doing is simply massaging it on her scalp. I will concentrate it on her scalp first. All right, and then I'll go in and spray it on her hair strands. This will help to keep her hair, her scalp and her hair well moisturized. Okay, I tell you, this tea alone is hydrating, but then we are not going to stop there. We're also going to massage the scalp and then seal the moisture at the end. Okay, so when you make this tea, you can use it 3 to 4 times in a week, and it is okay, right? It has strengthening, but it also has moisturizing ingredients in there. But the most important thing is to actually moisturize your hair after using this. Okay, you don't have to use heavy products. You can just go in with your oil and your light leave-in conditioner and you are good to go. Okay, the weather is hot. I believe that if you use like heavy products, it's just going to make it worse, right? Yeah, and using a moisturizing and hydrating liquid like this can help you to stay ahead of the game and keep your hair moisturized. All right. And for storage, this body can last in the fridge for up to 5 to 7 days. If you stretch it, 7 days, but please don't let it stay for more than 7 days. And 7 days is if you have a steady power supply. If you're living in the part of my world where I'm living and I am constantly battling with lights, please just make this in small batches so that you don't risk wasting your products, because then it spoils. If you want to extend the shelf life, you can actually add a preservative, but I've not really been adding preservative on my liquid mist. Oh god, liquid sprays. Okay, so I don't know, when I try I'll let you guys know, but I believe you can use a broad spectrum liquid preservative to preserve or extend the shelf life of this liquid if you're suffering from power supply just like I am. All right guys, my baby girl is all set. Now that I am done spraying the liquid on her hair, I went into oil her scalp, which you saw earlier, and then I'm using my leave-in conditioner, the one that I made on this channel. I'll leave it up here. So I'm using it to moisturize her hair further. This leave-in conditioner is so lightweight, but it moisturizes the hair very well. Like, it keeps the hair shiny, and that is how I keep their hair hydrated and moisturized this period. And trust me, their hair is growing really well. So if you enjoyed this video, one more time, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you like DIY content such as this one. And guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. Please take care of yourself. My name is Favor, and until I come your way next time, bye.